Okay, so what you're going to do today, you're going to be having different colors. I'm going to move from different to table. You don't need much ink. That's like way too much. So if I come around and put a little bit of ink on, you only need a little tiny bit. And I'm just going to get a little bit of that. See, I leave the rest of that blob there. That's fine. And the goal is to fill your brayer, this is a roller, with ink. Notice I turn it around different ways. That's fine. You're just going to fill it with not too much ink. You want it to be covered, but not have a glob. That is way, way too much. You're going to roll it like this, and then we're going to work on top of a piece of scrap paper. We're actually going to save these papers. We'll make some nice printed papers. So you're going to put your printing plate, foam plate down, and you're going to roll to fill this. If you need more ink, like right now it's not quite filled, I'm going to get more here. And you can roll it different ways. You can go back and forth this way. And it should take that long to fill this with ink. So we're not rolling all day long. Just roll until it's filled. Take your paper. And unlike how we did with the markers, you're going to put the paper on top. Instead of turning this over, it works better to put this on top and push down with your hand. And so you can do this without getting ink on your hand if you want. Be very careful. And pull it off. And there's my print. And then put it off to the side. You want to change colors, okay? So what you're going to do is take your print and you want to get the ink off. So just put it on your scrap paper, and then you can take your rag and finish wiping it off and just switch colors. So I'm going to go to my next color. Notice the brayer always stays with the color, okay? So green stays with green, blue stays with blue, and we're not mixing colors together. That messes up everything for everybody else, okay? So you have to just do one color on one brayer at a time. Now the other thing you can do is you can do a series of black ink on colored paper. A piece of paper and push down, and you can fill different colors until your time is up and I come to give you a different color ink. So however many you can do in that time. Okay, now that one got a little light, so I would reprint it. To do that, I know that next time I probably need a little bit more ink, and that's part of it, okay? You're going to have to just figure out how much ink you need.